Hey everyone, welcome to Max DIY. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my craft room and how I remodeled it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. This room needed a lot of attention, and besides our kitchen, it was one of the worst rooms in the house. It had carpet from the 70s, a really poorly constructed closet, just a lot of work that needed to be done in this room. We ended up tearing down the closet and ripping up all the carpet, and then put Pergo laminate flooring down ourselves. Instead of a new closet, I put up this hexagon wallpaper that I got off of Amazon. To hide the seams, I used a gold metallic foil and cut it into strips, also from Amazon. Then I used my Cricut cutting machine to make these hexagons to stick onto the wall. And this is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.